Hi guys, Raj here, just having a quick look over the markets and just really just letting you know where I am in terms of the positioning. So I did have this NASDAQ trade here on this momentum trigger on the daily, and it was based on the PTS, the Pro Trading System color change with obviously the upside targets that you just see flashing in and out at the moment. Now, although we didn't hit target number 3, which is up here, I can just highlight that for you on the other chart on the right hand side. You can see that level there. I basically made enough risk to reward coming in with the momentum trigger PTS entry down here, and then the upside targets took me to well over 2-to-1 there. So that was a really good trade. And also on one of the other previous videos, I don't know if you've seen them all, but the 2 videos ago we were talking about crude. This one has actually hit the longer term target as well, based on this momentum trigger that came in around here. I'll just put that there. So good PTS color change and everything on the daily. Great PTS signals to the upside as well. So that all work very well in terms of our system. Now, in terms of what else we've been looking at recently with you guys on the newsletter, we've been looking at euro dollar to the downside. This has also pretty much hit all of the signals. I mean, trading with the Pro Trading System has been going very well at the moment. GBP USD as well has absolutely smashed the targets. This was a long time ago that this signal turned up, and the markets have continued to trade south ever since that signal turned up. And I don't want to just keep talking about old ones. I like to talk about new trades as well. And carbon emissions, you know, we got the summit going on at the moment, and I think it's in everybody's mind really, the carbon emissions. So this is also triggered recently, so that's given us a nice trade, good momentum trigger to the upside. That's moving up quite nicely now in a little bit of profit, so that's doing very well as we speak. So that's very nice. And also I've really been interested in the base metals recently over the last couple of days, because these upside targets have been hanging around for a while, and it looks like we're getting a higher low formation. So I'm waiting on the proprietary storyteller to give us a momentum trigger, or maybe some PTS targets as well from the daily chart to match up with what I've got on this weekly chart in the middle. Monthly chart still looks pretty bullish as well, so that's also very good. On the FTSE 100 in the UK, look at how nicely these targets have been met, these PTS targets. Again, the last momentum trigger trade was, and PTS trade on the daily was back here on the 10th of October, and now the second target has been met. So this target is pretty far away at the moment. You probably could catch another trade in the middle of that on the daily chart, because this is obviously the weekly. So that's something that I might be looking out for in the future. And gold as well has started to push higher too. So we've got now upside targets on gold. We've got a really strong breakout on gold. You can see I've got some technical patterns in there. I might get rid of a few of those just to make the chart a bit clearer. There you go. And you can see now upside targets are heading, I suppose the next one here is this $19-12 per ounce kind of level, which is the previous wave high. So again, might be looking for another way to enter on the lower time frame, wait for a pullback and then another entry, but it's all looking pretty positive at the moment across all of our Pro Trading System I suppose asset classes, and then also the targets seem to be being hit very nicely as well. So it's all going very good. If you've got any questions, please get in touch with us. We've obviously got a couple of events coming up, so please check the homepage. And there's normally a little banner at the top there where you can attend one of those events. But we've got the Learn to Trade Live, got Mentorship Lunch. We've also got the Learn to Trade Online as well. So just to register to one of those, and we'll be happy to take your questions there. We'll speak to you soon, and thanks a lot.